Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A54. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A54 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A54 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then we're going to find here something says General Management. After click over General Management, you're going to click here date and time. After a click over there, now you can see there is no option to change date and time. Actually by default it is automatically date and time. If you want to set manual date and time, you need to turn this off skin and then it's giving you skin just like this, set date. So you can easily set any date you want and then click here done. If you decide to set time, you can easily set any time you want and then you can click here done. Now if I go back, we will see now my phone is going to appear new date and time, which is really quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A54. But I will definitely suggest you to turn on automatic date and time, which will help you. For example, you are in London and you want to Dubai. Whenever your phone is going to be connected with the network, your phone is going to be automatically appear that area local time. So for that, obviously I'll suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. So I'm going to again go here in the settings section, scroll all the way down and then we're going to click here General Management and then we're going to click here date and time and I'm going to click here turn on automatically date and time. So in this simple way you can easily turn on automatically date and time, or if you want to change manual date and time you can do that. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.